In this video, we're gonna check what is the maximum camera zoom that we can use on Xiaomi 17. So in the case of the photo mode, if we try to zoom all the way into the maximum value, as you can see, the maximum value is 60x. Of course, at this point, we also use ultra zoom, which is an AI tool that improves the quality or tries to improve the quality of the zoom. But let's also give it a try with the video mode. Let's see how much of a zoom we have available over here. So in this case, if we use 4K 60 frames per second, the maximum zoom is 15x. And as you can see right now, the camera does like weird things. I'm not sure what it tries to do, but yeah, there we go. Of course, I'm gonna also check the 8K resolution. And in this case, there is no zoom at all. There's no way to adjust the zoom. Let's see, I'm gonna also check 4K 30 frames per second just in case, but I believe it's going to be exactly the same as before. So yes, it is 15x. And let's also check 1080p, 60 frames per second, it is 15x. 30 frames per second, 15x as well. And of course, 720p, we have 15x, and there's no 60 frames per second for this resolution. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.